Hey guys, it's me, and so today I'm going to be recording my first voice video, so let's get started. So, let's see, what did she say? Did she message me? No, she didn't, but, yeah, so I'd just like to take a moment to talk about how laggy MSP is lately. Like, literally, I can't even do anything, that's how laggy it is. So, first things first, I'm gonna go through and talk about my guest book and what's been going on in it because I'm really not sure. But, so, Sorbet Rares, I've never traded her, but she is the only person who's written in my guest book other than Girl Power 88, is it 899? No, 998. Yeah. Also, yeah, I don't know what else to do. Okay. So Pride is a scammer and she tried to scam me. So, I don't know, but I'm gonna give her an auto because I'm trying to get like my friend's Goldie back. Load, you stupid game. Excuse me, it didn't even give me my fan for doing that. Okay, yeah. So I'm trying to do that because she scammed my friend's Goldie, and then this strip and this strip were scammed from my little sister, so I'm trying to get those back too. But I can't give greets. And I don't think an ultra for a Goldie is worth it, so I'm going to give her a fake ultra. So, yeah. The next thing I'm going to do is add Crystal Star 123 WoW because I might trade with her to see if she scams or not for you guys. But I'm just going to add her. I added Rary's one. I don't think she added me back, but I followed her rules to get the drip top / yeah. VIP ticket rare trade. I'm gonna add her to see what she says. Oh my gosh, I just realized this bedroom is really echoey. Okay. I still have to figure out how to do a webcam video so I can record my face and stuff. If you guys get my followers up, I don't want any of her stuff. So. Load you stupid. Okay. So, I'm pretty sure exclamation mark Bella space XOXO exclamation mark scams, but she wants my red drip top, and because you guys are probably wondering how I can have a red drip top if it's not in my inventory, it is right here in a trade request, 2 golden sparks, because I wanted to make sure it didn't glitch. But it is obvious it will not glitch, and I scammed it from Mohi because she is a scammer. So, yeah. So it's canceled, and now, let's see, is she a scammer? Say hi to YouTube. Oh, she gifted me. What did she give me? I don't think I asked her for anything yet. Huh? For the extra, should I make a look of what I want for the drip top. So I'm just gonna check her guest book just to see. I do know someone that she scammed, so I am for sure scamming her because she scammed my friend, aka this one girl, so I'm pretty sure she's a scammer, not gonna lie. And I'm not going to just scam her for fun. So her GB only says scam free from one person. So sorbet? Oh, okay, she wants sorbet. Mail. Load, you stupid. Come on. Recording that time. So I don't think anybody will send, but I'm gonna create a look of what I want for my sorbet, and I was just doing quotey fingers because she's not getting it because she is a scammer and she scammed Golden Sparks, aka my little sister, which is just completely wrong. Because Golden Sparks is 8 and she's like 13, so I find that very just wrong. And so many levels, so yeah. I hope she's not expecting too much from this, because to be honest, she has really crummy rares. It's okay, cat. Sorry, my cat was twitching, so I had to check on him. He does that when he sleeps. Oh, yay, one person gave me a gift. So Olivia Glitter 1 gave me a gift. We'll open that in a moment when I'm done with this. Not gonna lie, she has no good rare hairs. They're all level ups. Or rare looks, I guess. Yeah. So I'm just gonna say I want the Fame Lady. No, I want Goldie Dress. Good for you. So I want her Goldie Dress, so I'm just gonna go and open up my gift from Olivia Glitter 1 something. So let's check my gifts. Okay. Oh, I have 2 gifts. So I have one from Eva Free and I have one from Glitter 1901. See what they sent me. I'm really excited actually. Oh, thank you for the D-Pack. Thank you. Okay, let's see what Eva Free sent. This is most likely going to be a fail because there's like 0 subscribers on my YouTube. But, oh well, I will live. What did she send? MSP, you're so laggy. I can't even open a gift. Received. Maybe it'll tell me if I look at received. Oh, thank you! Yeah, no, Fresh Popcorn is a scammer. She is also known as Mohi. So, I scammed her red drip top that she got from my little sister, Lena 2745. I think that's her user. Yeah, it is. Lena 2745. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna refresh this. Okay guys, bye. This was a huge fail. I will post later. Goodbye.